Hi, now in this video we are going to see a demo of the Ethereum blockchain. We will see like what are the different fields in the Ethereum blockchain, the transactions that Ethereum blockchain have and how it is different from the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so this is a beautiful website etherscan.io. You can learn a lot about Ethereum on this particular website, about its transactions, about the mining rate. Each and everything is given at this website in a great detail. Okay, so just come to this website etherscan.io. Now here if you will see, we have all the latest transactions field, and here we have all the latest blocks field. Okay, so let me go to this particular block, and you can see the block number here. The block number is around, I think, some lakhs, I think. Once 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs and lakhs, crores actually. So it is in crores. And then we have status uninitialized. Okay, so it is not successful yet. This is the timestamp at which this particular block was created. And this is the proposed slot and epoch. Okay, nice. And we have the number of transactions. So you can clearly see that this block is now at this point of time is having 168 transactions and 44 contract internal transactions. That's great. Okay, then we have the recipient. So this is our recipient address. Then we have the block reward, and then the difficulty. Wow, that's great. So this is the difficulty and this is the block reward, guys. Okay, and this is the size of our block. Okay, and this is the gas use. So we have discussed about gas, right? So you can clearly see that how gas is actually being involved in the blockchain. And this is the gas limit, and if you will see a very good example, it is that this is the total amount of gas that is used, and this is the gas limit set by the sender, right? And you can clearly see that only 84.59% of this Ethereum gas limit is used. So the rest amount, that is the rest, I will say around 16% of the gas, will be refunded back to the sender. Okay, now this is base fee per gas. Now I am not going to into the technicals of this. For this, as I suggested you before also, you have to go to ethereum.org. There you can find much more details about this fee per gas and everything. So this is the burn fees, extra data. This is the hash of this particular block. So as we have discussed in the blockchain video as well, right, that each and every block has a hash. So our Ethereum blockchain also has a hash. This is the parent hash. So you can think of it as a previous hash. Okay, so it is pointing to this particular block. Okay, and this is the state root. So state root is currently out of the scope of this particular course, but this has to do with your Merkle tree. Okay, but this is not a part of this particular course. Definitely I will discuss this in some other video. So this is actually the state root of that Merkle tree. And this is the nonce. Now currently you can see that nonce is 0 because now Ethereum has shifted from proof of work to proof of stake blockchain. That's why it is 0 here. Okay, and if you want to discover about this parent hash, okay, so if you will see the block number is 547, right? In the last, let me see this particular block, which is the parent block, and if you will see, it is 546, which makes sense also because this was the first block 546, then the next block will be 547, right? And here also you can see the number of transactions, and each and every detail is given in this particular block as well, right? So this is a great website, guys. If you want to explore about Ethereum blockchain, I will highly suggest you to visit this particular website. You can learn a great deal about blockchain on this particular website. So this is the base fees, this is the priority fees. So this is the market rate currently. This is the price of our ether. Okay, that's great. And these are the different things. Okay, if you want to learn about ERC20 tokens, definitely this is not a part of this particular course. We will talk about this in our Solidity course. Okay, but this is not a part of this particular course, and blockchain and everything is given in this particular website. And let's say if you want to search for a particular address, you have to simply search that address here. Okay, you have to just type the address here, and you can learn about that particular account address, about that particular block, the transaction hash, anything. So if you have anything having like transaction hash, block, token, or anything, you can have a look at that particular block. Okay, so that's great, right? So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because I'm regularly going to make new blockchain courses on this channel. And if you want to join me on Instagram ID is given in the description, as well as our blockchain developer community Discord link is also given in the description, so you can join me there. Okay, so meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.